Good morning, friends. Welcome to Blockchain Inside Out. Here is another quick update came from Sunflower Land team. Today I'm going to show you that the team has launched a new block buck purchase system which requires less transaction fees to help with the high network fees. We have also reduced the data that is stored on chain. Additionally, we now have option to purchase 10 and 20 block bucks in bulk. Open gift. Wow, I have got something for you. 2x block bucks. Claim. Yes, I got 2 block bucks as a gift. Please let me know if you got any gift like me. I got 2 block bucks right now in front of you. This is the block bucks price. For 1 block bucks you have to pay 0.25 USD. For 5 block bucks 0.99, almost 1 USD. 10 block bucks 1.75 USD, and 20 block bucks 2.99, almost 3 USD. So this is a very good deal, I guess, because if you pay 3 USD and get 20 block bucks, you will get lots of inventories and lots of other resources to explore, and you can chop your trees, you can crop your foods, anything you would like to do you can do with 20 block bucks at the rate of $3. And only for once you have to pay the gas fees if you buy the 20 block bucks. That's very cheap. As well as the gas fees, you don't have to pay that much amount, so obviously it's cheap. How many should you purchase? Depending on your needs, you can purchase multiple block bucks for a discounted price. When you purchase a block bug, you must submit a transaction to the blockchain. A transaction includes additional gas fees which go towards the network. When traffic is high, these gas fees can increase to large amount. It is recommended to buy multiple block bucks at a time, so you only submit one transaction instead of multiple transactions. This ensures overall you are paying less gas fees. Definitely. As of 3rd May, buying a blockchain no longer stores your game data on chain. This was to reduce the gas cost. If you wish to store your progress on chain, please see stored data on chain. I see. We are strong believers that Web3 will encourage emergent gameplay and unlock a new realm of possibilities around ownership and funds stored on blockchain. Okay. While you play the game, all the resources you gather reside in a temporary game server. When these items move to blockchain, they become NFTs, SFTs, and ERC20s that can be owned. Stored data on chain. You must store your data on chain if you wish to use your items in Web3 only. Island such as Goblin Retreat, these island only read the data that has been stored on the blockchain. Like as I showed you in the last episode that I withdrew the SF SFL which is stored in the blockchain. So I withdrew 100 SFL that was already synced to the blockchain, so I withdrew it. But after I came back to home, you can see that I had eventually more SFL than the sync data in the blockchain. That's the story here they are telling. So it's already been told to you. Now I will get some berry, and soon I will use my one block box as I got 2 free block bucks. It's very helpful indeed. Let me plant some sunflower. because I have to buy lantern. Hope you have not forget. Let's see what I will get. Oh, mashed potato. Not a good thing, but still, it's free. So I must grab it. Let's go to Dawnbreaker and see the progress. Already 12,000 lantern been crafted. Only 25 out of 25,000. So almost halfway it's been done. And the day is almost half. Another 3 day and 19 hours remaining. So you have to craft at least 5 lantern for the first episode. If you can craft that, then you can see how much SFL you will get. So it's very easy tough. You can do it. And I have to get another 700 sunflower to craft the next one. One thing I need to read. Just a moment. Just a moment. Crafting lantern. A maximum of 5 lanterns will show up in the map each week. All rest will be visible in your inventory under the collectible tabs. There is no limit to the amount of lanterns you can craft. However, each time you craft a lantern, the requirements also increase. The more you craft, the harder it gets. No problem. But I wanted to know here. Each week, range of price will be raffled to the players who crafted lantern that week and helped save Dawnbreaker Island. One lantern, one entry to the raffle. But this is not the answer I was searching. Yes. Do I need to store my lanterns on chain to be eligible for the raffle? No. The raffle will be based on off chain data. That is the answer I was searching for. And you can craft lantern, but you don't have to sync it on blockchain. So no problem at all. You can craft as many as you like before syncing to blockchain, and whenever you craft a lantern, your raffle ticket will be counted, and you are eligible for that week's raffle. That's all, my friends. And here nothing to do right now because I don't have that much sunflower. So I have to grow another 700 sunflower before I can buy another lantern. I have only 101 sunflower. That's very poor. Okay, friends, bye for now. See you in the next episode. Hope you are enjoying this Sunflower Land exclusive episodes. And if you really like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe, like, share, whatever you like. Thank you very much for watching.